kasi. Look. Hindi gusto niya paano sa hello, what did you do?
I smell something. I smell something.
Do not remove anything.
Careful, careful. This is not yours, anak ko. Bakit niya pinagamit? Tinuturo mo ba?
Ano na?
Yeah. Yan ay magpasilap daw ang anak mo. No, pag meron kang ginagawa at pinapakilaman niya, titignan ka siya kung ano siya. Magpasilap siya.
Oh!
Did you catch the frog?
Where's the frog? Ali, he's not there. Oh, come here. Ay, Ali is sleeping. Why, he's sleeping? Pinapatulog. Close the door. Close the door. Later, you will wash ubot. You want to wash ubot now?
It's locked.
Yes, it's locked.
Key. Key.
Key. You will play again, water? No. Ay, parang this one. I will get the key. I will get the key. Excuse me. Excuse me, sir.
Ako natin pasta.
Come here now. Come na to mama. Come na to mama. No, don't do that. Oh, stand up now. We will wash your ubot na. Wash ubot na. Come na. Wash ubot na. Because ubot is kati-kati. Ubot will be bangsit already. Up.
No, stop that.
No, do not be like that. Maghanap ka na yan. Enough na. Come na. Enough na. Come na. Shake my hand. Oy. Nagsusumbong.